Yo, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back, man. Today's the day. Fat Man's Invasion. About to go down the track. I ain't had track time for like a year. Don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm just going just because it's something to do with Sunday. I'm at the meetup spot right now with my boys. We're waiting on one more. Got the Mickeys on the back. Yeah, we ready to rock. 7:30. What time is it?
You gotta go, baby. Away.
Huh?
Game time.
Who we waiting on? Who we waiting on, Johnny?
49. We're waiting on Alex, man.
Alex, who is?
Where you at?
Half hour drive. Yeah. Waiting on one. Just pay for washing still. Just pulled up. Waiting on one more. Alex will get here. Oh, got the professional photographer over there. Sir.
What do you mean, Jamar? He's ready to go. He's like, all right, we're completing Alex. He ain't ready. He ain't ready.
Yeah, 7:30 pull-off time. 7:30 pull-off time. Oh wait, we gotta go. Pulled up to Thompson's. I went the wrong way. My boys on some gravel roads. I know Alex. Oh, this shit right there. She's alive. Yeah, man. About to get this racing in, and let's see what's going on.
Right on the window.
Yep. Oh yeah, baby.
It's a spirit.
There it is. Thank you.
Thanks.
Oh yeah. Hey, what's that?
What number
261.
Okay.
Write that off.
Okay, and you're gonna go to the right.
All right, thank you.
I think that truck's gonna swing, so be careful.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
I'll wipe that off.
Wipe that off, baby. 261. You see it? Yeah, we out here just pulled up the Fat Man's. People still pulling in, filing in.
All right, you guys got the car?
I'm sitting here chopping. I'm sitting here chopping. You hear me chopping, baby? You want one of these pink shirts? Say Fat Man's on them. Hey there.
Hey.
Oh no. Look at the ticket, baby. You are here. Alex is there. Oh, he's pointing at my car. He pointed at 3 seconds. Money. He writing on it? Oh, never mind. That boy got money writing on a Ferrari. Okay then. What is this dude doing?
Just make sure you stay close to the wall and going around.
All right now.
Thanks.
You stop me for that? Car just slid down in there. I can get it, but you gotta have to help me. I'm glad you think that's funny. That's the dude who want to race me right there. What's going on, man?
Salud.
That boy Mike rolling. I parked it down there. I got a odd number. I gotta wait. He's taking my spot. I say you taking my spot. to run.
Where's yours?
I can't. It's evens. It's evens first.
Oh, you're out?
Oh, yeah, man. Sick. Sick right now. What did you talk about? Yeah, man, I'm out here waiting in line. Next, got the GoPro set up. It's hot, man. Trying to get 2 runs in today, but if not, I'll probably do this one. It's taking too long.
And if it looks like you,
Yeah.
so get your license.
What total was that? All 3?
Yeah, that's what I'm
How it
about.
work?
Working it? Yeah, it's pretty. I'm only got it set for like 8 pounds of boost.
You know what?
This holds
If
up good?
let me tell you this, don't put the 38 millimeter wastegate on it.
Get an aftermarket
Get a
one,
bigger
right?
one.
Right.
They told me go with at least a 44 minimum on it.
Right. What you
Because
have?
he could only dyno to me in the 3rd gear because I was pulling too much boost.
Oh.
It was making it in 4th. That's why I put the 6200 rev limiter in it. and
Right. That's the stock block?
Stock block 3200 or 32,000 on the block.
What do you got? What do you got to the tire?
410.
Oh, I see the DSM for sure.
All right, here we go, y'all. Let me get this cracking. Ain't been on the track in a year. About to see how these tires hit. I don't know how to launch. About to try it out, though. We're gonna find out what I can do here. Well as I had hoped. Ran a 13.8 at 102. There's a lot that goes into racing, man. Can't explain it right now.
So, like, real talk, when are y'all trying to make y'all fucking run for real? Why are you texting me? Wait, he's mad, you know why? Because he knows I'm mad.
Yeah, but it's still shaking it more.
He can see
Connie? You got some footage?
Yeah, I already got pictures.
All right. All right, y'all. So there you have it. Capped off Fat Man's Invasion 2019. It was pretty cool, man. Definitely packed later in the day. I kind of got there at really got there like 8:30, and I was the second group to run, and I went fairly quick. But then people start coming in, and it just got crowded. I think they need to put a limit on how many people can race. If you missed the cut, you missed the cut. But my first run, I did a 13.8. Felt good, actually. I was surprised it was only a 13.8. It felt pretty good. I'm still getting a little hesitation shifting as far as trying to go into gear. I got my Blowfish racing bracket on, but it's still not really. It ain't really doing what I needed to do, what I thought it was gonna do. So I think it's time either new clutch flywheel and a new clutch line, because my clutch line I have now is a rubber one that's stock. It's been on there for 90,000 miles. And if you don't know, rubber over time with the heat and the cold, it just doesn't work as well as it did. And especially when I'm making 30-40% more horsepower than stock, kind of got to upgrade everything. But that's on my list to do. So car was built in 08, so I ain't really, everything else besides the engine is pretty much stock, and the shifter. But you know, so I gotta, if you upgrade the motor, if you upgrade your horsepower, you gotta upgrade everything else: suspension, clutch, tires, rims, brakes, like everything else. You can't just do the motor and expect to be cool. You know, you gotta upgrade everything else to work with the extra horsepower, and I didn't do that yet. So it's just like my car is working against each other, or working against itself. Food was okay. Oh my God, the food overpriced. They charged me $3 for some Gatorade. I bought it though, but this wasn't even it, but I bought it. But I think Fat Man's got another event coming up later in the year. I'm gonna try to make, I'll try to make that one. I'll see. I'm not really pressed to do it because like my car is just not really ready for the track like it should, like I wanted to. So but I think I'm gonna make a video about like what it takes to run good times at the track, because a lot of people don't understand like what it really takes. There's so many variables that need to go right for you to run well at the track. So I think I'll do a video on that, man, next. But anyway, Fat Man's 2019, that's it. Summer's still getting kicked off. Summer really don't start till like June, to be honest. So I got, 30 more days, and I'll really start making some videos and get it going at the meets and stuff, man. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment.